Hello guys, this is Minecraft and I have one mission to find one amethyst geode. So first, I'll enter a random seed. How about let's type GG, no, GG. Okay, is there the seed GG? Let's try now. Let's try if we can find the amethyst geode. I know amethyst geodes are really rare, but we can do it. Oh wait, we spawned in a ravine. Okay, let's go. Oh. Let's go here. Oh wait, is this? Yeah, I need some dirt to get over there to check if it is amethyst. Destroy this dirt. Yes, we spawned in a ravine. I like it. Really lucky. Okay. Let's go. Now let's go to that thing. I think it's amethyst geode. I hope. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We can. I don't think I can make this jump. Oh, no. I thought that I saw a skeleton, but no. Oh wait, I'm not okay, I'm not jumping off because I feel like I can make that jump. Okay, I can make this jump. I don't think so. No, I cannot make this jump. Oh, I can make it now because okay, we're here. Now let's see what's inside this thing. Let's break it. This thing. Oops, break. Need to break it more. Yeah. Oh wait, what's this thing? Oh, oh please be amethyst geode. Please. I need amethyst geode. Because that's my goal. Okay. Let's break this thing. I don't know. Oh my god, this amethyst! Amethyst! Let me break this. I got amethyst. Yes! Okay, amethyst. I won, guys. I won. Okay, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I found the amethyst geode. What the? Okay, now I'm gonna get myself some really good pickaxe, netherite pickaxe with efficiency 5. I'm ready. Okay, thanks Minecraft. Now let's go to survival again and be rich. Let me break this anvil real quick. Yes! This is truly an amethyst geode. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Minecraft. Thanks. Thank you so much. I didn't know that the CGG will lead to a review. I don't know. Or are we just lucky? Yeah. Comment down below if you think if it was because of the seed or because we're lucky. I don't think so. I don't know. So comment down below if you know. Okay. Bye bye.